This is the iPhone 12 mini. If there's any iPhone 12 I've been excited about, it's been this one. So let's unbox it. Look how small this box is. It's so incredibly small. To give you perspective, this is the box for the regular iPhone 12, and this is the box for the iPhone 12 mini. So you have the iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone SE. So you can see the iPhone 12 and 12 mini have the thinner box because they didn't come with a power adapter or the headphones, which we'll talk about in a second. But we're not here to open up the 12 and 12 SE. We're here to open up the mini, so let's do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow, that is small. I did not expect it to be that small. See, it just wants to come out of the box. It's like, use me, use me. I'm a small phone. You've wanted me for years. I'm finally here. Let's take it out of the box here. Cool. It's got the little paper from, we saw that on the iPhone 12. But let's take a look at what else we got in the box. We have a little kind of paper envelope or paper wallet here, a SIM card tool. Before using the iPhone instructions, of course, the Apple sticker. Also have this Lightning to USB-C charging cable, which I'm going to talk about in just a second here. So this is the contents of the box. Now, before we move on, let's talk about the power adapter situation. Doesn't come with one. And so some people might be wondering, hey, how am I going to charge this thing? Well, you can use your old Lightning cable, and if you had the 5-watt charger from a previous iPhone, which is pretty much any iPhone in recent memory except the 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max, you can use that old charger and wall combination. However, this cable will charge your phone much faster. The problem is it has USB-C and your old charger has USB-A. So this new cable won't plug into this new wall charger. You can plug it into, maybe you have a computer with USB-C, you could charge it off that. But even that, you might not get the full speed of this. However, Apple does sell for $19 a 20-watt wall charger that will charge this really fast, though it's 20 bucks. Also, you might want to check Amazon on that, but that's the thing. So this is kind of cool, but at the same time, yeah, all right, that's all I'm going to say on that. So just like the iPhone 12 we saw and the 12 Pro, as opposed to having a clear like factory screen protector, it's got the paper one. And what's neat about that is you have the little icons for like the silence button, the volume rocker. You also have like lightning here. Let's take it off. So let's see if we can hear anything. Not very percussive, but it's got a nice smooth, waxy paper feel to it. I don't know why I'm doing that. I'm gonna stop doing that. Put that over here. But my goodness, is this phone small. And it stands up, which is even better. I am so excited about this phone. This phone is much smaller than I thought it would be. So let's give you some perspective here. Here is the iPhone 12, and here is the iPhone 12 mini. The iPhone 12 has 5G, the iPhone 12 mini has 5G. The iPhone 12 has a ceramic shield display, the iPhone 12 mini has a ceramic shield display. The iPhone 12 has 2 rear cameras, the mini has the exact same 2 rear cameras. So this is pretty amazing on so many fronts. Obviously it's smaller, so we're gonna wait to see what that looks like for battery life and all that, but I'm already pretty enamored. So let's take a look at it next to something else. iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, and I'm sure people are gonna wonder this. Here is the iPhone SE. There you go, and I'll put it next to the iPhone 12 mini here. You can see the iPhone 12 mini is actually shorter, a little more narrow. It looks a little bit thicker than the iPhone SE, but let's put them all together here. Good. Yeah, well, actually, okay, the sides of these phones are different. So the SE has curved sides, the 12 mini and 12 have flat sides, but they're all about the same thickness, to be completely honest. That's incredible. Oh, you know what? I'm sorry, I have a special guest, and that is, I believe this is the iPhone 5, it might be a 5S. I'm sure someone will correct me in comments. That never happens. You guys. Yeah, so it's incredible to see how small the 12 mini is. Is it as small as an iPhone 5, 5S, or the original SE? No, it is not, but it is not far off. But it is smaller than this, so somewhere in between these two phones is the size of the iPhone 12 mini, and that is impressive indeed. Let's try turning on the iPhone 12 mini. Wow, look at the screen. Look how much more screen you get on that iPhone 12 mini. That's incredible. That really is amazing. So, here's something really weird. Right now, you can stop watching my unboxing video and actually see my in-depth review of the iPhone 12 mini just because of deadlines and calendar stuff and however that's being thing. So I don't even know what I think about this phone yet because I haven't used it yet, but you can actually go and watch that video right now, probably the next video over on CNET's YouTube channel, or you can check out my written review on CNET.com. But you know what? I want to hear from you guys. What do you think of this iPhone 12 mini? Are you a small phone lover? Is this phone small enough? I know a lot of people didn't think that new iPhone SE was small enough, but is this small enough? Or is there enough compromises with having this really nice display that's OLED and having 5G and having really good cameras that it's found a good size? Throw your thoughts in the comments.